Some days we get to work on cool stuff like quadrujets and Jags.
Jag 3000.
Other days we're working on washing machines, trying to make them do all the cycles. So the internet says when your Maytag will not spin and drain, that your switch that makes the door shut is not listening or not talking to the computer anymore. So we read a bunch of forums. We got some secret codes coming. There's our part number. Got some secret codes coming out of the thing.
The washing machine nuclear launch codes.
And we're going to see if that works. We're professional mechanics, small engine repair, and appliance repair. Yes, we are. We're in pretty deep, people. Washing machine, your innards. There's 1,000 videos on there to watch. Learn how to get this far into your one of the last Kenmores ever made. So a high efficiency top loader, and sometimes they forget to go into spin mode. So we're gonna try by, we got a brand new connector, brand new plugger inner thinger for the lid, and we're gonna test it to see if it does what it should do now. Oh boy. Explain to me why do we need big circuit boards inside washing machines? I don't know.